Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's Matt Malone here. As you may saw in the last video, we got a body kit for the G35. Before this video starts, if you're new here, this is my channel, Battlestar Garage. I also have a RSX Type S. And if you guys can do me a favor, drop a like right now on the video. It helps the channel a lot. It also helps if you drop a comment. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel. We have a body kit for the G35. Wow. I actually just finished painting this last night. The rear coat is on. Now I just gotta finish repairing the rear lip so I can paint that as well. Yeah, let's take this downstairs and put it on. All right guys, so we are out tonight. We got the body kit on, at least the side skirts and the front bumper. Front bumper looking sick. Nice. Well, we are out tonight. We're about to meet Zach here in a bit. Look guys, we got the Hydro on. About to go test that out tonight. Oh yeah, let's go. Dude. You want to explain what happened?
We're at Corpus. It's like the second to last turn.
Yeah.
And I was just getting it, right? And there's like these little
Yeah, it's the only
construction cone barriers.
Yeah, it's the only ones with the tires.
I just whacked like 3 of them. They're like boom, boom, boom.
Fuck. I thought it was only one. No, they're all on the ground.
Yeah, it was like 3 for sure.
I was like, why is there tires in my way? Look at Zach's car, dude. Look at that. Oh. Apparently this caliper is sticking. At least it's still got one good side.
The car feels like it needs work right now.
Dude, look at this spot. Me and Zach just got here like 15 minutes ago. And security immediately pulled up and we had to tell them that we're just taking pictures. This would have been a good spot, to be honest. There's so much open room. Look at that. You don't gotta worry about crashing unless you're an idiot. So, to the other spot? All right. God damn it. We just got here.